DJM TV.
We don't settle with quarrel. Our sabi country people. How una dey? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Sake of the time when una take the look also on top our ogbonge day-to-day tori update. When they always share for inside our correct TV station when be DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha. Na me wan yarn una the tori when don share for inside this time. Yes, so country people, the tori when we get now go concern the quarrel when they be day between the Bauchi state governor when his name be Alhaji Bala Mohammed and the Benue state governor when his name be Mr. Samuel Otum. Sake of say wetin Alhaji Bala Mohammed yarn when he yarn say make nama people dey carry AK-47 Kalash to take the safeguard themselves, but Mr. Samuel Otum come scandalize am sake of say wetin the governor of Bauchi state yarn mean say in dey backpack thief and bad people for inside Nigeria, and so the Benue state governor when his name be Mr. Samuel Otum come call im Bauchi state governor friend bad people GPT governor. Now this one come make the two governors come be dey quarrel since all this time when e be say e never still to take so. As the quarrel matter when the two governors come dey too long, na im the political party when e be say two of them dey when they call People's Democratic Party, when country people see they call PDP, come jump enter the matter to see how they go take settle the two governors when e be say them be brothers under the same political party. For inside one talk meeting when e be say them do to take see how them go take settle the matter between the two governors for inside Port Harcourt when be the capital of Rivers State, the governor of Rivers State when him be say him name na Barrister Nyesom Wike, and him Adamawa State brother governor when him name be Alhaji Ahmadu Fintiri come kickstart the quarrel settlement when e be say the two governors be get. The meeting when e be say they do for inside the house of Governor Wike come make the two governors come talk their mind based on the quarrel when them be get, and so the governor of Rivers State when his name be Governor Nyesom Wike come say no need for all this quarrel sake of say una be one, sake of the same political party when be PDP when e be say una dey. So for that reason make una just throw away wetin happen and make una come be good friends as una be before. Now inside there na the two governors come shake themselves and come yarn say they don't throw away the matter when e go concern the quarrel when e be say them two be get. As that one come share so now there two of them come hold their hand and they come dey each other as the two come dey laugh and come dey smile sake of say the matter e don end like that. For another matter when Dusty Shelley, this matter so go concern the before presido of Nigeria when his name be before presido Olusegun Obasanjo, sake of say he don write one ogbonge letter go give presido Muhammadu Buhari sake of say the way the country Nigeria come dey, especially for the economic and the security matter. For inside the letter the before presido yarn say the matter when dey for ground for inside Nigeria na one matter of life and even kpai for every when it be say the day for inside Nigeria. The before presido of Nigeria come see here and say the matter don reach the one when it be say nobody fit sweep and put for under the carpet sake of say e don dey knack the concrete when it be say them take old Nigeria foundation, and the matter don worry am well for im mind sake of say him still carry the wunjure when him get for the time when e be say him join take gbege for the Nigeria civil gbege to make sure say Nigeria remain one. Him come see here and join say President Muhammadu Buhari go still remember say him own pikin when e be say e join gbege Boko Haram still get wunjure sake of say im family dey try to make sure say Nigeria remain one. Chief Obasanjo come here and join say for over 10 years when Boko Haram don take dey gbeke for inside Naija. Na inside 4 years na Presido Buhari don be captain for the ship when e be say be Naija, and the Boko Haram matter never still end as Presido Muhammadu Buhari government take yarn am say e don end. E come yarn join say as Boko Haram still dey gbege Naija the way dem still dey gbege Naija since then, come show say na big lie Presido Muhammadu Buhari be yarn when dem talk say Boko Haram e don end for inside Naija. E come remember President Muhammadu Buhari say Boko Haram no go fit end if the government use only stick take dey face them, but wetin dem suppose do na to use both carrot and stick to take face them. Say with that one e go fit end. Before Presido Olusegun Obasanjo come use the letter take ask Presido Muhammadu Buhari question, say how this kind matter go fit end when e be say 50% of the people no go school and 70% of the people no get work for inside the northeast of Naija, when e be say Boko Haram for dey do the rigbege wella. For the one wey go concern nama and farmer wahala, the before Presido come yarn for inside the letter say the Presido Muhammadu Buhari government handle the matter when e just start with sofri hand instead of them to use hammer take hammer am as e be say e just dey start. E come yarn say now the matter don graduate enter banditry, kpake, thief and even kpai for inside the whole of Naija. E come yarn join for inside the letter say the one wey dey pain him pass for the matter na be say many people for inside Naija believe say na Fulani arrange when the big Fulani people for inside Naija arrange to take the gbege the other people when e be say they dey for inside Naija, especially now when e be say the Presido when e dey for the seat when be Presido Muhammadu Buhari na Fulani person and na him come be the Presido of Naija for inside this time. Say sake of this one, many people believe say na the arrange of the Fulani people to take gbege the other people when dey for inside Naija. Chief Obasanjo still yarn join for the letter say the Fulani people when e dey Naija get anything when e be say e dey bitter them for their mind, make them bring am come out for the open, especially now when e be say America don yarn say make Naija put their house wella, and even the United Kingdom don dey talk for inside their country parliament sake of the insecurity matter when e be say when just dey gbege Naija left, right, center, front, like say government no dey for Naija again. The former Presido come still yarn for inside the letter say now na the time when e be say Presido Muhammadu Buhari go take Naija matter serious sake of say the way the things dey go now, when e be say kpai everywhere, thief everywhere, kpake everywhere, make e no come be say Naija go come become wetin happen for inside Rwanda and even Yugoslavia, when come be say civil gbege come dey shele for inside those country, and e come be say the country no come ever be the same the way they be before. E come yarn Presido Muhammadu Buhari say this one no be the time to take dey keep quiet at all. This one na the time when be say everybody go, when e get solution you go call them to give their own part how they go fit take talk to take make sure say yes the country Naija get peace as e suppose, and progress go come and prosperity go come. E come say the one when e be say e still dey bad for inside na be the economic side, when e be say things just dey go up nothing dey come down, and so country people come dey find am difficult to even fit eat for everyday. Because e go chook mouth put for the food when e be say the northern people talk say dem no go gree make e come south again unless dem dey sure say yes dem say dem get security when e be say e go protect dem come south. Country people, na here our tori for still break leg for this time. We wan thank una for all the time wey be say una don take dey watch us since, and we wan still beg una say make una like, share and comment for this matter when we carry come give una today. Until next time when we go come una way again, we wan thank una well well one more time, and we wan beg una say make una subscribe if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make una continue dey follow us for all our social media handles. Until next time when we go come una way again with another ogbonge tori when be say go don share that time. My name remains Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. Una.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.